Struggling to create an eBay account? Get your account set up in minutes with this simple step-by-step guide. I know it can feel a little overwhelming when you first start, especially if you're worried about missing some crucial verification step. But honestly, it's a lot more straightforward than it looks. By the end of this, you will have a fully verified account, ready to buy or sell. I'll walk you through each step, from opening eBay to verifying your account. Let's start. So first things first, open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com. That's just the standard eBay homepage. Nothing fancy here. Just type it in and press enter. This is where everything begins, so make sure you're on the right site. Now, look up in the top left corner of that page. You'll see a link that says Register. Go ahead and click on that. eBay has made this pretty easy to find, so you shouldn't have to hunt for it. All right, here's where you make a choice. eBay is going to ask you what kind of account you want to create, either a personal account or a business account. For most people just starting out, a personal account is the way to go. It's perfect for buying things, selling a few items from around the house, that sort of thing. If you are planning on running a full-time business right off the bat, then you would choose the business account. But for this tutorial, and for most of us, stick with personal. It's simpler and it covers everything you need. Now we get to the actual details. You'll see a form asking for your first name, your last name, your email address, and a password. Enter your real information here. Your name on eBay needs to match your legal name, especially important if you ever plan on selling and getting paid out. For the password, make it something strong, but something you can remember. And here's a quick tip. Use an email address that you check regularly, because eBay is going to send important updates there. Once you've filled all that in, go ahead and click the blue button that says Create Account. And this is where the verification happens. eBay will now send you a code, either to that email address you just entered, or possibly to your phone if you have one linked. This part is crucial. You need to verify you are who you say you are. So go check your email inbox. It might take a minute or two to show up. Open that email from eBay. It will have a code or a link inside. Click the link or enter that code back on the eBay page. And just like that, you've proven you're a real person. After that verification goes through, eBay might walk you through a couple of additional setup steps. This could be things like choosing your preferred currency, setting your country or region, or adding a shipping address. It's all pretty standard stuff. Just fill it in as you go. Don't skip these, because they help eBay tailor the experience to you. So now that we've got all that done, let's sign in to your new account. Go back to the eBay homepage, click the Sign In button in the top left, and use that email and password you just created. It should take you right into your shiny new account dashboard. And this is the moment of truth. Check that everything is there. You should see your name in the top left corner. You should see a notification that your account is active. That's really all it takes. You've done it. You have an eBay account. That's it. You are ready to start shopping or listing your first item for sale. Thanks for sticking with me through this. If it helped, I'd appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.